Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to connect Instagram with other apps. If you want to connect Instagram to other apps like Facebook, you can use the account center feature within the Instagram app. So in many cases, you must have noticed that when you open up any sort of app, you could find continue with Google or continue with Facebook. But it's a very rare thing where you could see continue with Instagram, right? So you could actually continue your Facebook account with Instagram itself as well. But you must have the same contact information linked. Now, if you want to do this, or if you actually want to connect,
saw her foot first. She was wearing a pair of
if you actually want to go ahead and make sure to connect Instagram to other apps, then tap on the profile initials, then tap on the menu bar from the top right corner of your screen. Alright, then click on the account center section, and then you could go ahead and navigate, or you could just go ahead and click on share across profile, right? You could then see where you could add a profile, or maybe create a Facebook account, or maybe connect Instagram with Facebook. So these are some of the ways you could connect Instagram with other apps. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.